everyone, this is Addison with my dad, and we're gonna do a hollow pack box today.
All right, let's open it up. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So what did you get?
I got
Spiral
Spiral
in 4K.
in 4K. Okay.
That's pretty awesome. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see what this one
Yeah,
is.
yay.
Yeah. We got Evil Bomb on
Yeah.
Blu-ray. I have that, but you know what?
Yeah.
Can never have too many
Okay.
full moon movies.
Okay.
And what did we get? Ooh,
Fog City.
the Horror Pack Limited Edition Blu-ray is Fog City, and this is number 90.
Okay.
And we've got one more. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, can't have too many full moon movies.
Yeah.
What is it?
The Hand That Feeds the Dead.
Yeah. I can't wait to watch this one. Well, that's it. What are you gonna say?
I hope you all really liked this video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.